With the debut of his groundbreaking manganese battery, Elon Musk has once again brought about a revolution in energy storage. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to completely transform the landscape of electric vehicles and renewable energy sources. Manganese batteries have many advantages that standard lithium-ion batteries can't match. Musk hopes to hasten the movement toward a more sustainable future by hastening the transition away from the constraints of currently available battery technology with the help of this paradigm-shifting breakthrough. So how will this battery affect the future of EVs, and what advantages does it have over existing batteries? Elon Musk, the renowned entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has made news once again by releasing to the public his game-changing manganese battery. This is just one of Musk's many innovative business moves. The manganese battery represents a huge step forward in the field of renewable energy and electric cars due to its unparalleled efficiency, longevity, and safety. For decades, lithium-ion batteries in their traditional form have been the workforce of the industry in terms of energy storage. However, they are not devoid of any problems of their own. Concerns over their environmental impact, the paucity of resources, and their thermal stability have been ongoing obstacles in the search for cleaner and more efficient energy alternatives. Now, Musk and his colleagues at Tesla have devised a potentially game-changing alternative in the form of a manganese battery. The composition of the manganese battery is the defining characteristic that sets it apart from other types of batteries. Musk's innovation solves crucial issues such as cost, sustainability, and resource availability by using manganese as a primary component instead of cobalt, which is typically used in lithium-ion batteries. Manganese is not only plentiful, but also easily accessible, making it an excellent option for production on a massive scale. Concerns over unethical mining practices and the geopolitical dependencies involved with cobalt production are lessened due to this transition. The manganese battery's outstanding efficiency is one of the key characteristics that set it apart from other types of batteries. This cutting-edge technology has a higher energy density than its counterparts that are based on lithium-ion, which enables it to store more energy in a container that is both smaller and lighter than its predecessors. This innovation will result in power retained for a more extended period, improving the overall performance of energy storage systems and increasing the range of electric vehicles. As a direct consequence of this development, the general adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy sources may be accelerated. Owners of electric vehicles have been facing a recurrent obstacle in the form of charging time. Many people contemplating purchasing an electric vehicle have been dissuaded because of the long charging times required by ordinary lithium-ion batteries. However, the manganese battery that Elon Musk is developing promises to change not only this aspect, but all aspects of battery technology. Because of its one-of-a-kind chemistry, it permits much faster charging speeds, which cuts down greatly on the amount of time needed to recharge an electric vehicle. This innovation not only makes electric vehicles more convenient and useful in everyday life, but it also helps us move closer to our overall objective of creating a more robust charging infrastructure. When it comes to the construction of energy storage systems, one of the most important factors to take into account is safety, especially in the context of electric vehicles. There have been isolated cases of thermal runaways involving lithium-ion batteries. This phenomenon involves a situation in which the battery's temperature climbs out of control, which can result in fires or explosions. This issue is addressed by the manganese battery that Elon Musk developed by including sophisticated thermal stability mechanisms. The incorporation of manganese into the chemical makeup of the battery results in increased resistance to thermal runaway, reducing the likelihood of accidents and making for safer operations. Additionally, the manganese battery's improved thermal stability and safety features have the potential to transform other industries that rely on energy storage, such as consumer electronics and medical equipment. The capacity to store energy and transmit it efficiently and safely brings up the possibility of breakthroughs in implantable medical devices, wearable technology, and portable electronic devices. This can lead to advances in areas such as personalized healthcare, remote monitoring, and the Internet of Things, IoT. In technological progress, two of the most important considerations are general adoption and scalability. Elon Musk is aware of this, so he has proposed some rather ambitious proposals regarding the manufacturing and distribution of manganese batteries. The gigafactories developed by Tesla, which are well known for their capacity to produce goods on a massive scale, will play an essential part in the creation of a significant quantity of these batteries. Tesla intends to meet the growing demand for energy storage systems with the large production capacity of these facilities. By doing so, the company hopes to make this technology more affordable to both individual users and industries. The impact of the manganese battery that Elon Musk developed goes well beyond the realm of the automotive industry. Energy storage is an essential component of the infrastructure supporting renewable energy sources because it paves the way for the efficient capture and usage of intermittent energy sources. The higher energy density of the manganese battery, the faster charging periods of the manganese battery, and its enhanced safety make it a suitable alternative for grid-scale energy storage applications. Also, the manganese battery plays a crucial role in balancing the power grid and providing a consistent supply of clean energy by storing excess energy during peak production and releasing it during high demand. In addition, Elon Musk's manganese battery has the potential to revolutionize a wide variety of industries. The aerospace sector is an example of one of these industries. As the chief executive officer of SpaceX, Elon Musk has a vision for the future, including the successful exploration of Mars. Because of its low weight and high energy density, the manganese battery is a strong contender for powering spacecraft and other such endeavors. The implementation of this groundbreaking battery technology enables spacecraft to carry greater cargo while maintaining longer operational lifetimes, which in turn revolutionizes efforts to colonize space and explore space. The commercialization of the manganese battery is important for poor countries and regions that have limited access to dependable electrical systems. Traditional power infrastructure is either non-existent or unreliable in many parts of the world, especially in rural areas. Decentralized energy technologies, such as solar installations not connected to the grid and paired with energy storage, can tremendously help these communities. Because of its low cost, high efficiency, and long lifespan, the manganese battery is an excellent option for powering these locally based energy solutions. This opens the door to access to clean and reliable electricity, which is essential for the advancement of education, healthcare, and the economy. In addition, the development of the manganese battery has made it possible for the manufacturing sector to access previously unavailable prospects. Because of the constantly increasing demand for electric vehicles and energy storage systems, it is essential to ensure a supply of batteries that is both sustainable and reasonably priced. Not only does Elon Musk focus on mass production and scalability through Tesla's gigafactories, but this will also support economic growth and job creation in the battery manufacturing industry. This technology advancement helps foster a competitive market, which in turn encourages innovation and drives down costs, ultimately benefiting both customers and the industry. The arrival of the manganese battery also has the potential to encourage the development of new ideas. The battery sector reaps the benefits of rapid advancement and enhanced solutions thanks to the efforts of other companies and researchers working to create their own innovative battery technology. This competitive atmosphere encourages collaboration, knowledge sharing, and the interchange of ideas, eventually driving the development of energy storage systems that are even more efficient and sustainable. Manganese is cheaper than other elements currently utilized in electric vehicle batteries, which is only one of its many benefits. This month, a kilo of nickel has leveled off at $21,300, having previously reached a high of $31,000. According to Element 25, manganese is the 10th most abundant element on the globe. As a result, its price has only reached $10,000 per ton. The mining expertise is already well developed because it is also extracted in large quantities for steel production. Manganese producers may be found on every continent, in contrast to the locations of nickel and lithium mines, which are limited to certain regions only. This prevents regional shocks such as pandemics, wars, or political conflicts from impacting supply chains. On the other hand, a steady supply of high-purity manganese is required to manufacture manganese batteries. Batteries risk failing to achieve the safety, durability, and performance standards required by the electric vehicle industry if the quality of the manganese in them is inconsistent or inadequate. Musk claims that for the world to make the transition to a truly sustainable world, there will be a requirement for the creation of 300 terawatt-hours worth of battery cells, and it would appear that elements such as manganese might be the proper match for the task, so a lot of development has to happen here. It is important to point out that Elon Musk's manganese battery is not the only research project currently being worked on in energy storage. Researchers and businesses worldwide are always looking into novel materials, chemical processes, and design concepts for batteries to enhance their performance and overcome certain restrictions. The introduction of the manganese battery not only marks a big step forward for the industry as a whole, but it also acts as an impetus for additional research and cooperative effort. The search for methods of energy storage that are both more environmentally friendly and more effective is a continuing process that calls for the concerted efforts of scientists, engineers, and executives from various industries. That's all from this video. What do you think of Musk's new batteries? See you in the next one.